Are you curious about the legitimacy of the Berry crypto trading platform? Well, you've come to the right place. If you've ever used Berry before, there are certainly some burning questions on your mind. From withdrawal issues to a downpour of new coins, and even an ongoing merger and acquisition of Berry. Not to mention the controversial Nasdaq listing, it can feel like an irritating speck in the eyes of crypto novices who are Berry members. Just what kind of crypto exchange suspends its users' withdrawals anyway? And let's talk about those guaranteed profits Berry claims to provide. Is it too good to be true? Could it be another one of those pesky Ponzi schemes or get-rich-quick schemes that flood the crypto world? After all, where does guaranteed income really exist in this world? And what about those unique coins like AGC and FBC? Can you find them anywhere else other than Berry? In this review, we're going to delve into the overall status of the Berry crypto trading platform. We'll address all the questions swirling in your mind right now. And fear not, we'll also guide you towards the most reliable ways to make legitimate money in the exciting world of crypto. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore the ins and outs of Berry. We'll provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions and navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. Let's dive in and uncover the truth about Berry. Let's start by unraveling the mystery of the Berry trading platform. Berry claims to be a crypto trading platform that primarily offers spot trading services for popular digital assets like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Solana, Monero, and more. They even provide free signals to help their users navigate the crypto market. But is it all that it claims to be? Well, let's find out. Now, when you think of regulated crypto exchanges, you usually look for them on well-known platforms like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. But here's the funny thing, when you search for Berry, you won't find anything related to it except for some other exchanges that have no connection whatsoever. It's like searching for buried treasure and ending up with a handful of seashells. Quite perplexing, isn't it? In fact, some countries like Botswana have even issued warnings to the public about an unregulated virtual asset provider going by the name of Berry Crypto Trading Platform. It seems like Berry has caught the attention of regulators, and not in a good way. That's definitely something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about the coins traded on Berry. Are they unique to this platform? Or can you find them elsewhere? We decided to do a little detective work and checked coinmarketcap.com to see if we could spot any of the coins mentioned by Berry, like AGC, FBC, BSS, CPIC, CFC, CNL, FDPT, EEC, and HAM. But guess what? Nothing. It's as if these coins have vanished into thin air. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, only to realize that the needle doesn't exist in the first place. So, there you have it. The enigmatic Berry trading platform raises more questions than it answers. It's like a puzzle waiting to be solved. But fear not, we're here to shed some light on the situation. Stick around as we dig deeper and uncover the truth behind Berry. This is going to be quite the adventure. Now, here's another alarming issue that raises eyebrows. Berry seems to have a knack for creating a multitude of coins out of thin air. And what's even more puzzling is that these coins hold great value, despite having little to no real intrinsic utility. It's like a magic trick gone wrong. Take, for example, a coin called CNL, valued at around $180, and AGC, valued at $100. These coins are just a few weeks old, if not days. Meanwhile, renowned cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, which has been around for almost a decade, are trading at around $80. Something doesn't quite add up here. So, how does Berry actually work? Our analysis suggests that Berry employs a mechanism known as market manipulation, or as some like to call it, pump and dump or rug pull. It's like a wild roller coaster ride where the insiders hold all the controls. Here's how it goes. The Berry team members buy a massive amount of the crypto they want to pump, and then they instruct their members to do the same at a specific time. This coordinated effort causes the crypto to skyrocket. But here's the catch. Once the price reaches its peak, they all sell their holdings, causing the crypto to come crashing down. It's a well-orchestrated scheme, and it usually works best with small market cap coins. However, Berry has added their own twist to this game. They've taken it to the next level by coding their own coins, giving them full control over the entire process. This is why they can churn out new coins day and night without any screening or meeting any standards. It's like they have their very own coin factory, where new creations pop up faster than rabbits multiplying. It's quite unheard of in the crypto world. Can you think of any other crypto project that has been developed and deployed within days or weeks? I'll wait. Let's take a moment to reflect on projects like Pi Network, which take their sweet time to develop and deploy. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? And that's why you won't find the coins traded on Berry anywhere else. It's like they've created a parallel universe of coins that only exist within the confines of their platform. Quite the mysterious affair. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the notification bell if you're new to this channel. We've got plenty more mind-boggling insights to share. Stay tuned. Now, let's talk about another alarming red flag that waves ominously in the wind. Berry seems to have a laser focus on attracting new members to their platform. And they do it in some rather peculiar ways. Have you ever heard of a reputable exchange offering a 100% cashback voucher? It's like getting a buy one, get one free deal. But in the world of crypto. For example, if you deposit $1,000, they'll magically credit your account with $2,000. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? That's because it probably is. But wait, there's more. They also dangle shiny, overpromising commissions in front of you if you refer new members to their business. It's like they're taking a page out of the Ponzi scheme playbook. You see, in Ponzi schemes, they rely on new investors' funds to pay the old investors. And when the flow of new investors slows down, the whole house of cards comes tumbling down. So, depositing money into a place where you can't withdraw should give you serious pause for thought. Sure, no problem with depositing, but when it comes to withdrawals, they hit the brakes. It's like going full speed ahead on a highway, only to encounter a road closed sign. Think twice, my friend. It's evident that Berry is encouraging people to invest heavily these days. But here's a little tip: when a platform starts pushing for heavy investments, it could be a telltale sign that they're planning to make a hasty exit, just like other infamous Ponzi schemes in the past. And we certainly don't want you caught up in that mess. If you're truly looking to make some good money in the crypto space, here's a golden nugget of advice: learn, learn, learn. Knowledge is power, my friend. By educating yourself and understanding how the market works, you'll be able to read the signs, analyze the trends, and make your own informed decisions. And guess what? We've got just the place for you to do that. We've created a reliable and interactive space where you can learn all about legitimate ways to make money in the crypto industry. From trading strategies to market insights, we've got you covered. Did you know that we have over 20 ways to make money in the crypto industry? Trust me, I've been in this game for a while, and everything I've learned has been from this invaluable source. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of the crypto world and pave your path to success, click the link in the description below. Remember, learning comes first, and I guarantee you'll thank me later. The future of your crypto journey starts now. If you're ready to start trading, we recommend reputable exchanges like OKX, Bybit, Bitmart, BitGet, Kucoin, or Binance. These exchanges offer cutting-edge technologies and features to help you succeed. OKX and Bybit allow you to copy master traders, while Bitmart offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies. BitGet provides user-friendly trading options, and Binance is a renowned platform with comprehensive services. You can find links for these exchanges from video description down below. Remember to conduct your research and stay informed about the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading! Let's take a closer look at Berry's reach and reputation. If we check out SimilarWeb, we can see that Berry has gained quite a following worldwide, with a significant user base in South Africa, making up 35% of its users. But the real surprise is Rwanda, where Berry is experiencing rapid growth. The power of referrals, huh? However, if we visit scamadvisor.com, the trust score for Berry is a mere 1%. That's not exactly reassuring. In fact, many users have reported it as a potential scam. Negative reviews are abundant, both on ScamAdvisor and Trustpilot, where users claim they've been scammed and can't process their withdrawals. The positive reviews, on the other hand, seem suspiciously corrective and supportive. Could it be the insider team trying to save face? Speaking of withdrawals, it's an absolute headache with Berry. Imagine having a wallet full of thousands of dollars that you can't access whenever you want. It's like having a shiny new toy locked behind a glass case, teasing you endlessly. Berry has set unrealistic rules for withdrawals, and even when you follow them, your request might get cancelled. They claim they've upgraded their system to fix the issue, but the problem persists, much to the frustration of their users. To address these concerns, Berry regularly hosts Zoom meetings.
You guys all are fine, and a warm welcome to all downlines and members today. Thank you so much once again you join us today. So let me start this live session. Let me introduce myself. I'm Zara Harrison, Marketing Manager from FS Global, and with my colleague Daniel Smith, who's from Research Department.
But honestly, it's all smoke and mirrors. They keep repeating the same old scripted lines, without any real improvement. And to top it off, you can't even chat with them during the Zoom meetings. It's like talking to faceless robots, hiding crucial details from the public. Quite shady, if you ask me. Now, let's talk about Berry's merger and acquisition with an unknown company. According to them, it's a strategic move to increase their valuation and assets. They conveniently decided to suspend the withdrawal function during this period, assuring users that they'll be able to withdraw safely once it's over.
Valuation of the platform during the merger and acquisition process, and acquiring the company may want to avoid any changes to the platform financial position that could complicate the valuation of the process. So when the funds will change, the platform's financial situation will also change. And also the security consideration. During the acquisition process, the Berry needs to conduct more security audits to ensure the security of its funds and user information. And also, let's move forward, and I will also share with you the reminder that according to the Berry users, assets review time will be 2 to 3 weeks, and after this duration, the withdraw function will be resumed. So during the time, 2 to 3 weeks, the withdraw function will be, after the 2 to 3 weeks, the withdraw function will be resumed, because in these 2 to 3 weeks, there is...
Oh, and they're also preparing to list on NASDAQ, promising even more benefits for their users. But come on, let's be real here. When other platforms undergo system upgrades, they don't completely halt withdrawals. It's like Binance suddenly saying, sorry folks, no withdrawals for you. Even for a few minutes. That would be a credibility disaster. So why are people still using Berry? It's time to use your common sense and think twice before getting involved with Berry. The signs are all there, waving like red flags in the wind. Don't be caught up in their web of confusion and broken promises. There are reputable exchanges out there that offer reliability, security, and transparency. So, why settle for Berry when you can choose a platform that truly puts your interests first? If you're not into the nitty-gritty of technical analysis and want a hassle-free way to trade crypto, then listen up. There's software out there that's designed just for you. It's called Royal Q, the ultimate robotic sidekick for crypto trading. Royal Q is like having your very own trading robot with artificial intelligence and fancy quantitative methods. This little genius can make money for you when the crypto market goes up or down. How? Well, it uses math and algorithms to execute trades automatically. No need to stress about charts and graphs. Royal Q does all the heavy lifting for you. Using Royal Q is a piece of cake. All you need is a connection to a specific cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or Huobi through an API. Once you're hooked up, simply select the coin you want to trade, and voila! Let the robot do its thing. You can even copy strategies from experienced traders who use Royal Q. It's like having a trading mentor in your pocket. Now, here's the exciting part. If you haven't joined the Royal Q Club yet, you're missing out big time. This bad boy is one of the largest and most popular crypto AI in the world. It's got a rock-solid reputation for offering a variety of trading strategies and top-notch security. They've been in the game since 2017 and have a whopping 1.6 million users worldwide. Oh, and did I mention they've made over $120 million in total profits? That's some serious cash, my friend. But wait, there's more. Royal Q won't break the bank. They charge a low annual fee and only take a commission when you make a sweet profit. That's right, they're in it to win it with you. If you're a beginner who wants to dip their toes into the world of quantitative trading with crypto, look no further. Royal Q is your go-to platform. It's easy to use, trustworthy, and, most importantly, profitable. So, don't waste another minute. Click on the link in the description to sign up for Royal Q today and embark on your journey to financial freedom through crypto trading. It's time to let the robot do the work while you sit back and count your digital coins. When it comes to Berry's ambition of listing on NASDAQ, it feels like a far-fetched dream. Let me break it down for you. NASDAQ, short for the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations, is a prestigious global marketplace for trading securities like stocks, bonds, and futures. It's a big deal. But here's the kicker, only Coinbase, not even Binance, has managed to secure a listing on NASDAQ. NASDAQ has a rigorous process for listing companies, and for a relatively unknown entity like Berry, it seems impossible. It's like a nursery student trying to get into Harvard University. Utterly absurd. Berry is just playing tricks on its users by showing a fake ticker symbol that resembles a well-established company called Berry Petroleum. The real Berry Petroleum has nothing to do with this unregulated crypto exchange. They're completely unrelated. Berry Petroleum is an independent oil and natural gas producer operating in California, Utah, and Colorado. They've been around since 1909, with headquarters in Dallas, Texas. Quite a different story from the Berry crypto trading platform, right? Now, if you're looking to make some serious moolah in the crypto space, let me introduce you to StormGain. This platform and mobile app are the bee's knees for all your crypto needs. Whether you want to buy, sell, exchange, trade, hodl, or mine Bitcoin and other digital assets, StormGain has got you covered. They offer zero trading commissions, up to 500x leverage, free Bitcoin mining, exclusive trading signals, and more. You can even use your credit card to buy and withdraw crypto. Plus, they provide secure multi-currency wallets to keep your funds safe. StormGain is perfect for beginners and experts alike. No KYC hassle either, just a simple registration with your email and password. You can find the link in the video description to get started. To wrap things up, Berry is still a young and uncertain player in the crypto world. We've discussed the downsides, how it operates, and what you should know before jumping in. Remember, cryptocurrency is highly risky, so do your own research. If you're serious about diving into the crypto world, we recommend reputable exchanges like OKX, Kucoin, Binance, StormGain, or even considering automated trading with Royal Q. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification icon so you won't miss out on future fantastic videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next captivating installment.